In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Made in Webflow badge from your website. If you've just built a site in Webflow, you might notice a small Made in Webflow badge appearing in the corner of your published pages. This is part of Webflow's default branding, and while it's helpful for showcasing the platform, you may want a cleaner, more professional look without that extra label. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to turn that badge off from your site settings, step by step. First, start by logging into your Webflow account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see all of the sites in your workspace. Find the specific project where you want to remove the Made in Webflow badge. When you hover your mouse over that site card, you'll see a small gear icon appear in the top right corner of the card. That gear icon represents the site settings. Go ahead and click it. This will open the settings page for that particular site in a new view. Inside the site settings, look towards the top of the page and make sure you're on the General tab. Webflow's settings are organized into different tabs, so being on the correct one is important. Otherwise, you won't see the branding options we need. The General tab is where most core settings for your project live. Now, scroll down the General tab until you find a section labeled Webflow Branding. This section controls whether Webflow's badge is displayed on your published website. Within this section, you'll see an option that says Display Made in Webflow Badge. Next to that text, there will be a toggle switch. If the badge is currently showing on your site, this toggle will be turned on. To remove the badge, simply click that toggle to switch it off. When it's off, it tells Webflow not to display the Made in Webflow badge on your live site anymore. After changing the setting, look towards the top right area of this section and click the Save button. Saving is important so that your changes are actually stored in the project. Once the settings are saved, you're almost done. The last step is to publish your site again so the change goes live. At the top right of the site settings page, click the Publish button. Choose the domain or domains you want to publish to, confirm the action, and wait for Webflow to finish publishing. After the publish completes, open your live site in a new tab and refresh it. The Made in Webflow badge should now be gone, leaving you with a cleaner, unbranded footer on your site.